Galileo Galilei and how he was a Renaissance man. Galileo Galilei was born in Pisa, Italy on February 15, 1564. His father was a member of the patrician class, but his family wasn't exactly wealthy. Galileo touched in many different fields such as physics, philosophy and mathematics, but was mainly known for his astronomical discoveries. In the early 1570s, he moved with the rest of his family to Florence. There he began his education at Vallombrosa Monastery, where he studied with the monks. When he entered the University of Pisa, he originally was going to learn medicine. He quickly changed to math, physics and philosophy. Alongside working as a private tutor, Galileo worked on his own discoveries. More specifically La Balancetta, the little balance, which described his balance technique for measuring things in and out of water. He became a professor for the University of Pisa in 1589. He took inspiration from figures like Aristotle. After he published De Motu, he earned his reputation as a skilled but controversial scientist. He shifted his main focus to astronomy after the supernova of 1604. He thought that the universe was changing over time. This spark led him to meet a man named Lippershey. He used one of his early telescope designs to look at the surface of the moon. With the telescope, he also found some stars and Jupiter's satellites. In 1613, he publicly exclaimed he supported Copernicus's theory, which aligned with his own beliefs on the solar system. Galileo supported Copernicus's theory that the Earth orbited the Sun, not the other way around. This set Galileo apart from the Catholic Church, as they had their own views on the solar system. He ended up arguing in Rome to the Pope about their conflicting views. He was now forbidden to write or support his theory publicly. Despite this, Galileo was determined to learn even more, so that's what he did. He kept learning in Florence about many concepts and made many great discoveries, such as his theory of experimental hydrostatic balance technique for measuring an object's weight in air and water simultaneously. Galileo's conflict with the Catholic Church eventually led to his trial, where he was found guilty of heresy. He was put on house arrest until he passed away in 1642. Now that we know Galileo's story, how does he represent a Renaissance man? Well, Galileo was not only an astronomer, physicist, mathematician and inventor, but he was also a teacher. He helped others learn what he had taught and faced imprisonment just to give others the slightest chance to see what he had found out. This very clearly resembles a Renaissance man, as the pure drive to learn, create, share and master a handful of difficult concepts that only the most dedicated could. Ultimately, Galileo was talented in a wide range of talents, which rightly classifies him as a Renaissance man.